Hi, I'm Alex Rodriguez, a product owner here at Cavallo, and today I'm going to show you how to understand the status of your orders in Mission Control. Let's get started. One of the questions I hear the most each day is, what is the status of this order? Has this been shipped yet? Are we ready to invoice this? Using the status column in Mission Control allows me to answer these questions really easily. So let's take a look at that. For this example, I'm going to take a look at the shipping and invoice queues in my workflow, because I'm going to take a look at those orders' shipping status. So I've opened up those queues, and I can see that I've got a couple of documents in them. And if I take a look in the status column, I can really quickly see that all of my orders in shipping have actually already been partially shipped. So that I can see something has already gone out here, we're just waiting to ship the rest for some reason. If I look in the Ready to Invoice queue, as you might expect, all of these orders have been completely shipped. If I want some more information about this, I can also take a look at the Related Documents column right next to it. If I hover over this, I get some information about the documents associated with these orders, so I can see for each of these orders the shipments that are associated with them. If I take a look down here at my last order in this queue, I can see there's two related documents, and I can actually see this one has already actually been invoiced for a small amount. And that's how you use Mission Control to understand the status of your orders. If you have any questions, please feel free to enter them in the comments section down below, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like to see more of these tips and tricks. Thanks!